The United Way of Madison County and Alabama A&M University are helping local communities by initiating a survey. Food insecurity, housing shortages, and adequate educational resources are just a few things they hope to address in the Madison County area. Our Ken McCoy has the story.
So we do this every 3 years. And in fact, we've seen as the community grows some trends.
Trends can illustrate some useful information. For instance, what a community really needs.
So trends in challenges with housing and the attainability of housing for everybody. We've seen challenges in our achievement gap for our children between children of color and primary Caucasian population.
But as the times have changed, so have the questions.
We're seeing a trend that as life gets more complex and challenges kind of layer in on people. So those were things that in 22, when we put our finger on the pulse last time and we said, what's happening? This is what we saw. And the question that the needs assessment this time will answer, are those still the greatest needs in our community?
The United Way is nearing the end of their community needs assessment survey period.
We're working with a great research team from Alabama A&M's RISE Foundation, and they are crunching all the numbers and collecting this data on our behalf. But we are the champions in the community that say, let's understand the needs so we can pull together and bring some solutions to those needs.
And no need is left unaddressed.
On the survey, we are making some suggestions of things that we know people see in the community, but we have an other blank so that folks can put in what they're seeing. Because, you know, if you live in Madison, if you live in Gurley, if you live somewhere in Madison County, you're encountering people that come and ask you for help and you don't know where to turn or you don't know if there's anything available. If you hear that, that's what we want to hear.
And taking the survey takes less than 10 minutes.
We have a couple of social work interns here from Alabama A&M, and they can call them back at their convenience and do that interview and record their voice. We have a QR code. These posters are throughout the community, but this is also on our website at uwmadisoncounty.org. There's a link to take the survey and a link to sign up for the focus groups, so you can see all the dates and times for those focus groups. So there's lots of easy ways.
In Huntsville, Ken McCoy, Fox 54 News.